Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mirror hooks is probably one of the most crucial aspects of home decor, especially when dealing with heavy mirrors. It's not just about hanging a reflective surface, it's about ensuring safety, security, and style. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of mirror hooks, exploring the best options available and what you need to know to make the right choice for your space. Number 5. Blulu 20-pack mirror holder clips. This kit includes 20 mirror holder clips, screws, and anchors. It provides everything you need for a secure and easy installation. You'll have plenty to complete your project. These clips are perfect for mounting mirrors and glass on cabinets, doors, and walls. The clear design blends seamlessly, preserving the aesthetic of your furniture. It's a practical solution for various needs. The clips are made of sturdy plastic, ensuring they are lightweight and safe. The metal screws provide added durability and convenience. This combination guarantees a long-lasting hold. Installation is straightforward: drill holes, position the mirror, and tighten the screws. It's a quick and easy process. You'll have your mirror securely mounted in no time. Each clip is 21 mm long and designed for 6 mm glass. Please check the size carefully before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. This ensures the product will work as intended. What we like? This kit provides you with plenty of clips, screws, and anchors. It's perfect for various mounting needs, from cabinets to doors. If you have multiple mirrors or projects, this is the one for you. It's easy to install, saving you time and effort. What people say. Practico y lindo. Fácil de poner. Lo use para un espejo en la pared que no tenía marco. Mejor imposible. Just when I wasn't sure how to attach flat glass mirrors to the wall, I came across these Antidata mirrors attached to wall and bathroom. Para colgar retratos o espejos, este perfecto este producto. Number 4. Heavy-duty picture frame hooks 100 pounds, 10-pack. These heavy-duty picture frame hooks are designed to support up to 100 pounds. They are perfect for hanging pictures, mirrors, and other heavy artwork. Each hook is capable of holding a significant amount of weight. This makes it ideal for various items, ensuring they stay securely on the wall. The package includes 10 hooks and nails, providing everything you need. The nails are designed to minimize wall damage. The nails create small holes, ideal for drywall and plaster walls. They are made of hardened blue steel for maximum support. These picture hangers are suitable for various wall types. They are a great choice for paintings, mirrors, and other heavy artwork. These are the same hangers used by museums and art galleries. They offer a reliable solution for displaying your valuable items. What we like? These hooks can hold up to 100 pounds, making them ideal for heavy mirrors. The sharp nails minimize wall damage, perfect for plaster and drywall. If you are looking for a reliable and damage-conscious solution, this is the best choice. What people say. Very easy to use and strong. I used this for a large metal art piece and have had no issues for over a year, even with minor earthquakes. It's my go-to when hanging large frames on drywall. I hung a 50-pound frame with one and it didn't budge. Definitely a must-have if you're hanging on drywall. Best ones I have ever bought. Will hold any heavy picture with ease. Number 3. 100 pounds picture hangers for drywall, 10-pack. These picture hangers are designed for heavy-duty use, supporting up to 100 pounds. They are perfect for hanging mirrors and heavy art pieces. The exclusive crimp design makes this picture hook incredibly strong and reliable. You can trust it to securely hold your valuable frames. Each pack includes 10 picture hooks and 10 nails, making it a complete hanging solution. Everything you need is included for easy installation. The hooks are 1 3/4 inches long and 3/8 inch wide, providing a secure grip. The size is ideal for various frame sizes and styles. These nickel zinc-plated hooks are built to last. They are suitable for use as heavy-duty mirror hangers or heavy art hangers. What we like? These hangers are designed with an exclusive crimp for added strength. The nickel zinc plating ensures durability. If you like a strong and reliable option for hanging your mirrors, consider this one. What people say. Holds heavy frames securely without sagging. Nails go in easily and feel sturdy. Hung an extremely heavy mirror with confidence. Number 2. 30-inch cleats with hardware, Z-bar cleat hanger. These 30-inch cleats with hardware are perfect for securely hanging heavy items. It's ideal for items with wood frames like pictures and mirrors. This product is also great for headboard wall mounts. It provides a strong and reliable solution for your hanging needs. The Z-bar aluminum hangers are designed to support a significant amount of weight. It can handle items up to 250 pounds, ensuring your items stay safely on the wall. These hangers are ideal for artwork sized 37 to 42 inches long. It works well on drywall, plaster, or wood panel walls, providing a versatile solution. Each set comes with everything you need for installation. It includes two 30-inch cleats, anchors, screws, and bumpers, making the setup process simple. Wall cleat hangers offer both stability and ease of installation. It's a professional-grade product used by museums and art galleries, ensuring a secure hold. What we like? This cleat system is perfect for hanging long or heavy items. It provides stability and is easy to install. If you have large mirrors or artwork, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say? These match and work well. The mirror is now mounted solidly to the wall. Worked very well, sturdy. Number 1. Picture hanging kit, heavy-duty frame hooks. Introducing a picture hanging kit designed for durability. This kit includes a variety of heavy-duty hooks, capable of holding substantial weight. With these, you can confidently hang your valuable frames. These hangers are made with thicker materials, providing superior strength and stability. Even the smaller hangers are difficult to bend, ensuring your pictures stay securely on the wall. It offers a safer and more reliable hanging solution. The kit comes with multiple steel wires to accommodate different hanging needs. A mini gradienter is also included to help you level your frames accurately. This ensures a professional and balanced display. Everything in this kit is neatly organized for easy selection and use. Each hook is matched with the correct nails, and the storage case keeps everything in place. You'll find it easy to find what you need. We are confident in the quality of this picture hanging kit. If you have any concerns, we are always here to help. You'll love the convenience and reliability it provides. What we like? This kit includes a variety of heavy-duty hangers, including options for heavier items. The thicker materials ensure greater strength and stability. If you are looking for a comprehensive and well-organized kit with various options, you should consider this one. What people say. I've used this kit to hang a variety of frames, artwork, and pictures, and the variety of hardware included in this kit make it a great value. Well organized and easy to use. Great for DIY projects. It even has little tags stating how much weight each of the hangers can handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.